everybody, this is Bonnie from Bonnie's Creative Place, and I am here to show you some of the new product that by the time this video airs you will be able to purchase here in the month of May. So one of the cool things, this is an online exclusive, and it is a little party pig. Is he not cute? I absolutely love this little guy. And they have little shaker boxes that you can make them shake. I've done a few different ones. Let me get them out here. I should have had them sitting right next to us. I did Miss You Pig Time. Now, I do have these written up, and I will try, maybe I can get my daughter to help me, to turn this into a PDF, and then I will be able to have it linked with the video to where you can, down below in the description box, to where you can link to some of my little cute little sayings that I created. So this one says Miss You Pig Time, and I created a little fence, and then I put the pig's head over it. And then this one says Let's Party. Isn't that cute? And then this one, I loved this one. I love you this much. Wouldn't that be so cute to send to like a grandma or something for a little kid, from a little kid? I just absolutely loved it. So I made that one. And then I made this one, and it says, Don't Go Baking My Heart. So I have some other sayings too that I didn't use. And then this one says, What's Shakin' Bacon? And this shakes. And the other thing you can do is you could put money in this and create a little trap door on the side. And then they could actually, like, this could be like a piggy bank. And then they could pull it out and the money would fall out. And so that's kind of a cutie if you want to give them actual money. But I like that this shakes. And then the fun little card that I'm going to make today, it's very simple. So it's just a quick card if you're thinking of somebody. You just want to send them a cute little funny thanking card. And we are going to make this one. And it says, What's Shakin' Bacon? And it's just got some easy little pigs around it. So I'm going to show you how I did this. And it's very simple. Very, very simple. So first thing we're going to do is we got the pig's head on a block, and we got the What's Shakin' Bacon here on the block, and we're going to get out some black Memento ink, and we are going to stamp up the pig's head. Let me try to keep my little piggy in my card here that we're going to do in the camera. And here we're going to, down on this side, right as close to the bottom and far over as we can go, and we're just going to stamp the little piggy. Ain't it cute? I just absolutely loved it. And then right here on this side, and as long as you got the nose on the card, we're doing good. That was my main goal. And then we're going to stamp it again right up here. He just fits on here 3 times. And there you go. Just like that. And we'll set that aside. And then we got the What's Shakin' Bacon. We'll stamp that while we can. And we're going to stamp that right here. Just like that. Okay. Okay, so we have this. So now we're going to color with the blends. And I'm going to probably fast forward this so that you don't have to be watching me forever. But I used Pretty in Pink, Light and Dark. And then I'm going to use Dark Flirty Flamingo. And that's for the darker spots on the card. So Okay, so now I just wanted to let you know I did not end up using the Pretty in Pink Dark. I only used the Flirty Flamingo Dark and the Pretty in Pink Light. And actually, I think I want to go back over these to make them stand out just a little bit more, because I feel like, and I want to tell you that when I did the original card, I used a bubble bath. I used bubble bath colors. And this was the one pig that's on the end, because I mixed him. So when I was making this card, I asked my daughter if it'd better to have all different color pigs or if I should have them all the same. And she's like, oh, I think they look good all different. Well, I did these two the same and I decided to do this one different, and I still think it looks cute. But this time I did my pigs all like this, but I think they'd look cute all with the, and this one is with the bubble bath. So this is the bubble bath light and dark, and this one is with the Pretty in Pink and the Flirty Flamingo. So that's just the difference there. And now we're going to put the card together. Like I said, this card is very, very simple, very, very quick. But I just wanted to share them with you because I think these little piggies are so cute. And while I'm putting this card together, if you could like, comment, subscribe, share my video, all pig cards. These were quick and easy cards that I did, because sometimes you just need a quick and easy card to send to somebody, and this would be really cute, like a thinking of you type card, or just to say hello. So there you go, everybody. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.